Hello children. Today we are going to study about the exercise 2.3 in the triangle chapter. This exercise is based on the criteria of similar triangles. You already learned three criteria of similar triangle. Those three are AAA criteria, SSS criteria and SAS criteria. Based on the criteria, we are going to solve the sums now. In this exercise, totally you are going to learn 16 sums. Out of 16 sums, in this video, we are going to solve 2 sums now. In that, first one we'll see now. State which pairs of triangles in figure are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the questions and also write the face of similar triangles in the symbolic form. Here already 6 sets of triangles they have given. They only given the diagrams and they have given some measurements also here. You should see all those triangles and you have to identify whether the given triangles are similar or not. If the given triangles are similar, by which criteria those triangles are similar you have to write. If they are similar means just you should write in the symbolic form, and which criteria you used there you have to write it. In that first one we'll see now. First set of triangles we'll see. Here triangle ABC and PQR they given the angles of a triangle. So here by seeing the diagram only we can identify 60 degree, 80 degree and 40 degree are equal. So angle A is equal to angle P is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degree and angle C equal to angle R equal to 40 degree. All the three angles of one triangle are equal to all the three angles of the other triangle. Therefore, by which criteria we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AAA criteria. This one symbolically we represented here. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Which criteria? AAA criteria. Next second sum we'll see now. In the first sum they given the angle, second sum they have given the sides. Sides are proportional or not we have to identify here. And while you observe the diagram, which sides are proportional we have to identify. Sorry, which are the corresponding sides here? Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now, which are the corresponding sides we have to identify? 2 is corresponding to 4, 3 is corresponding to 6, 2.5 is corresponding to 5. Like that only you have to write the ratio. See, AB divided by, you should write AB. For AB side, which side is corresponding? This RQ. Because 2 by 4 will come 1 by 2. Should identify like that. 1 by 2. 2 2s. Next. For AC, which side is corresponding? 6 PQ you have to take. AC divided by PR. Sorry. AC 3 by 6. This also will become 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Next. BC divided by PQ. BC is 2.5. PQ is 5. So this also will come 1 by 2. 2.5 ones are 2.5 twos are. Now see, you see corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, AB divided by RQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by PQ. All the three sides of one triangle are proportional to all the three sides of the other triangles. Means ratio of the corresponding sides are in the same ratio is equal to 1 by 2. We got it. Now we can say by this same ratio we got, no? By that we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which criteria? SSS criteria. Second sum is based on the SSS criteria. Now we'll see the third sum. Third sum you see angle 4 and 2 are corresponding sides, means 4 side measurement. PE and MP are corresponding. LP and DF are corresponding. But here you see 2.7 is there. This is 5. 2.5 2.7 divided by 5 if you do, you will not get 1 by 2. If you do 3 by 6, 4 by 2, 2 by 4 means you will get 1 by 2. Here sides are not in the same ratio. Corresponding sides are not in the same ratio. Therefore, triangle LMP is not similar to triangle DEF. Here triangle LMP is not similar to triangle DEF. What is the reason? Because corresponding sides are not in the corresponding sides are not in the same ratio. This is the reason these two triangles are not similar. Next we'll see the fourth one now. Fourth one you observe. Here they have given 10. This one I forgot to write. Now you see two angles and one angle and two sides they have given here. If you see one angle, two sides means which criteria will come to mind? Yes. Two sides and one angle. Corresponding two sides are proportional and one angle is equal. So which are the two angles? One angle is equal here. Angle M is equal to angle Q, we can write, is equal to 70 degree. Now we know that by SAS angle including those two sides are proportional. We should see here this angle is including the two sides. Which are the two sides? Those two sides MN and ML, and here QP and QR are the sides including 70 degree. Here also 70 degree. So which are the corresponding sides? We have to take MN divided by QP is equal to MN is 2.5 divided by 5 is equal to 1 by 2, and here next one more corresponding sides are ML divided by QR is equal to 5 divided by 10. This is also 1 by 2. Now one angle and including that angle, those two sides are corresponding. Those two sides are in the same ratio. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio and including one angle is equal. Means therefore triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR by SAS criteria. We can say that by SAS. Now we'll see the fifth sum. Fifth sum, you observe one angle they given 80 degree. Including this angle, which are the two sides here? AB and AC. AC they did not give here, but here you see including this angle 80 degree. FE and FD are the sides. They have given the sides. Here they did not give this side. Therefore these two triangles are not a similar triangles. Triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF, because why? Because always if they given the angle means, if you want to apply SAS means sides including that angles must be proportional. Here this side they did not give only, so triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF. Now we'll see the sixth one. Sixth one, you see two angles they have given in the triangle, 70 degree, 80 degree, 80 degree, 30 degree. See here, first I will consider triangle DEF. In triangle DEF, which are the three angles? We have angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Correct? No, angle D is 70 here plus angle E is 80 degree. Angle F we have to find it. 180 degree. Here it is 70 plus 80 is 150 plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. So angle F is equal to 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degree. We got remaining angle is 30 degree here. Here also 80 plus 30 is there. 80 plus 30 is 120. Sorry. 80 plus 30 is 110. Remaining angle will be 70 degree. Now you see all the three angles of one triangle are equal to all the three angles of the other triangle. So angle D is equal to angle P is equal to 70 degree. Angle E is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degree. Angle F is equal to angle R is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. Here one angle they did not give. We found it by angle sum property. By which criteria? Here also angle criteria. Now you see the second sum. In figure, triangle ODC, here they have given the diagram also. ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Triangle OBA they have given, and CDO equal to 70 degree. CDO is 70 degree they given. What we have to find? They have given BOC also. BOC is 125 degree they are given. We want to find DOC. This one I only have written. DOC they did not give. And we want to find DCO. DCO, this angle we want to find, and the OAB. OAB we have to find it here. To find this angle DOC, we have to consider the straight line DOB to find DOC. In consider straight line, consider straight line DOB. We know that angle for the straight line is 180 degree. In this straight line there are two angles, DOC and COB. That I will write it. Linear P, we know that DOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. COB they only given, DOC we have to find it. That is 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now DOC is equal to 180. If you transfer 125 right side means it will become minus 125. 180 minus 125 is 55 degree. DOC we got it now. First angle we got it. Now we have to find DCO. If you want to find DCO, you should consider triangle DCO. In this triangle already two angles we know. Remaining angle we can find by angle sum property. In triangle DOC, which are the three angles? Using three letters you write those. This angle I will write as a ODC plus this angle I will write as a DOC plus DCO is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles in a triangle equal to 180 degree. ODC 70 is there plus DOC 55 degree plus DCO is equal to 180 degree. Now 70 plus 55 is 70 plus 55 how much? 125, right? Plus DCO. DCO we want to find it 180 degree. So DCO is equal to 180 minus 125. 180 minus 125 is 55 degree. So DCO also we got 55 degree. 55 degree. This is the second angle we got it. Now we have to find OAB. OAB in this triangle. What they have given in the question? They given what they given? Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. We know that if the triangles are similar means corresponding angles are equal. So here DCO is equal to OAB. These two angles are corresponding angles. Therefore DCO we know already, that is 55 degree. 55 degree. Therefore OAB is also equal to 55 degree because corresponding angles of a similar triangle. That is the reason for that. Similar triangle. Therefore OAB is also 55 degree. This is the answer for the second question. In this question totally we found three angles. In the next video, we are going to solve the next two sums. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.